Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to check message request on Messenger. When someone you are not connected with you on Facebook sends you a message, then you'll receive a message request. You can easily check the message request. To do that, first open your Messenger application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you can see your chats. Now tap on three lines on the top left corner. Then here you can see message request option. Tap on message requests. Now here you can see two categories of message requests. One is from you may know category, where you can see the messages from the people you may know. Then another is spam. You can look for the type of message request within these two categories. Now here you can also choose who can message you. To do that, tap on the option of choose who can message you. Then here you can choose from any of the category that you want. You can decide whether the message request go to your chat list, your message request folder, or whether to receive them at all. With that, you'll be able to choose and manage your message delivery. This is how we can check message requests on our Messenger application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.